How to watch Crunchyroll on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can watch Crunchyroll on TV. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to watch Crunchyroll on TV, it's very simple. First, make sure you have downloaded the Crunchyroll app. Now, if you don't know how to download it, go to your app store on your TV. I'm sure most of you can do this process. And now you can go to search for apps and games. And now you can simply search for Crunchyroll. And once you search for Crunchyroll over here, the application is going to load up. If you haven't downloaded already, you'll find the install button, but in my case, I've already downloaded. So you can open the app and make sure that you're logged into your Crunchyroll account. Now, I also already logged into my Crunchyroll account, so I don't have to log in over and over again. You can also have a free subscription of Crunchyroll and still use Crunchyroll easily. So go to Crunchyroll and then just make sure that you're watching something. And over here, you can see that I can basically go ahead and open up any series over here. I can just click on add to watch list, or I can simply click the continue option that you can find from the bottom over here. And once you click the continue option, you should be able to watch Crunchyroll on your TV. This way you'll be able to watch Crunchyroll on TV. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.